Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you DeepSearch AI app review. Is it actually worth it? But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So, looking at DeepSearch AI here, there's actually a lot to like if you're someone who values having everything organized in one place. Now, one of the biggest things people are raving about is just how much time it actually saves. Now, instead of you spending 20 minutes bouncing between LinkedIn, Instagram, and TikTok trying to find the right person, the app does it in a few seconds. Now, it's incredibly efficient at pulling together a full digital snapshot, which is a huge plus if you're doing quick background checks for work or just trying to verify who someone is before you meet them in person here. So, the user interface is another area where it really shines. So it feels modern and high tech, so making the whole process of searching feels seamless and actually kind of fun. Now, for someone who isn't great at digging through deep corners of the internet, it acts like a professional assistant that cleans up the data and presents it in a way that's actually readable. Now, it's especially helpful for uncovering old public profiles or links you might have completely forgotten about. So giving you a much broader picture than the standard search engine ever would. So in this case, most of the advanced features here, or the if you really wanted to fully use the platform, you may need to use the Pro. So of course, it's worth keeping in mind. It does come with a pretty significant price tag. So if you click on Pro here at the top right of your screen, so you have to decide if that convenience is worth the subscription cost for you. Now, some people online have also mentioned that it can be a little over the top here with its marketing, so making it sound like it's doing something almost impossible. So if you're seeing those videos online, people saying that they search this information, whatever, so there's a lot of videos right now going around regarding this. So when in reality, it's just very good at gathering public info that's already out there. So if someone has a profile online, maybe in other websites are using the same email address here, so just doing the basic search here, well, in this case, Deep Search AI can be something worth it. But if someone is not actively online, well, that's the only downside. So you won't be able to find information about someone if they are not posting anything online. So but if you're looking for a way to just cut down on the manual legwork here and want a polished professional report on someone or someone's online presence, now it's really a powerful tool that gets the job done faster than almost anything else available right now. So yeah, so if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.